Hello guys, meet again with me KYM aka Kiyama. Hopefully you are all healthy and enthusiastic. This time I will show you an AI video generator that is no less good than Kling AI, or we can call it an alternative to Kling AI. As we know, lately and even arguably after its global launch, Kling AI often has problems, such as being stuck at 99% when rendering image to video, or rendering that takes so long, even up to 2 or several days. After a few days of waiting, the results failed to render or generate. Okay, let's go straight to the method. First of all, open the browser and go to Vidu Studio, or you do a search using the keyword Vidu AI. After entering the Vidu website page, you will be presented with a very light page. Then you can log in first by clicking Try Vidu. Here you can use several ways to log in, but for me this time I logged in using a Google account. After logging in, you will get 80 credits for free. You can get this free credit every month. I think it might change because of the high competition in AI video generator. If you want more credit, you can upgrade your account at the price listed there. Just click Create Video to start making the video you want. In the Settings menu, you can see two styles, namely General and Animation. Below there are two options, namely 4 seconds for free users and 8 seconds for paid users. Okay, let's try the General mode style first. Let's use the image that I have prepared with the landscape shape first. Here are two options for using the image. The first is Use as first frame, or we can say we use our image as the main reference in making the video. And then the second is Use for character reference, where the image will only take the character as a reference for making the video. Let's try the first option, and let's wait for the results. Wow! It seems to be faster than Kling, although under normal circumstances there have been some generating problems in Kling. Yup, the result is ready. It's pretty good, although a bit different from what I expected. Quality is still not good, but later I will show you how to improve the quality of the video made in Vidu. Let's try again using the same image, but this time we use the second option. Let's wait for the results. I just realized, here there are different fun facts every time we wait for the video generation process. Not only telling us to drink coffee, which makes us bloated and stomach acid rises, this is good for increasing general knowledge. The result is ready. Good, quite smooth. Wait, let's turn off IDM first, it's a bit disturbing to the view. Okay, let's try again using the same image, but this time we add a few words to the prompt column. Is there a difference? Wow, awesome, but this seems to only be 3 seconds, not up to 4 seconds, but okay. Now let's try using an image with portrait shape mode. Let's try using the first option first and without filling in the prompt. Yup, very fast. Let's try using the prompt jump then face forward. I think I mistyped. Maybe it's because I mistyped it. Let's try to correct the words we use. That's okay, although far from expectations. Let's try again using a little change in the words in the prompt. Maybe earlier we used too aggressive and fast movements, so the AI got confused. Okay, now let's try to make an anime image. Let's try using the same image. Wait, it turns out we can't use the anime feature in image to video mode. It can only be used in text to video mode. Okay, let's try using the sentence. A woman wearing shinobi outfit is riding a running giraffe in the prompt. Let's try it. I forgot to change the style. Okay, let's see the results. This is quite a good result. Let's change the style to animation. Wow, the result is like anime. I like that. Now let's try again. Does Vidu support multiple languages in filling in its prompts? Here I use Japanese that I created using Google Translate and changed running to flying. Let's try. Did it work? I forgot to change the style again. It's okay. Quite good, but I don't understand why there is a black circle there. Okay, let's change the style to animation. The result is very good, but this is more like a flying horse with a giraffe pattern. This is very cool. Also look at the surrounding scenery. It's very amazing. Now, let's try to change the video we made earlier to a better quality. The method is to select one of the videos that we want to improve the quality. Then click the Upscale button below the video. Quality is very different here. I like this. Okay, that was a little information about Vidu AI that you can use as an alternative to Kling or the main choice in making videos using text or images. Thank you for visiting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and turn on notifications. Bye-bye.